Hey everyone, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this Love You More sign. Not only is it the sweetest little sign ever, but it is super easy. There's only a few steps and you only need a few materials. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this really easy sign. The first thing you want to do is pour out a little bit of the pure gold paint, and you will use this paint to cover a small clothespin and wooden heart. You'll need at least 2 layers of paint for it to look its best, so you'll want to do 1 layer, let it dry, and then do a second layer. While you wait for the heart and the clothespin to dry, you will then grab your sign and your vinyl. Open up your vinyl and then take either your craft scraper or a credit card or a popsicle stick, that works too, and you will then rub the top of the vinyl. Make sure you rub all of the letters so that when you peel off the top layer, that the vinyl letters stick to it. Lay down the vinyl in the sign. You want it to be left justified, and start with the top of the vinyl first and line up the top of the vinyl where it says love with the edge of the sign. You also want the left side of the vinyl to be lined up with the edge of the sign as well. Make any adjustments that you may need, and once it looks straight and everything is placed as you want it, you then will press down with your fingers and then also use your craft scraper once again to help adhere the vinyl to the sign. Next, you will peel up the vinyl, and you'll want to do this slowly. If you notice there's any parts of the vinyl that aren't sticking, you'll just have to pause on peeling it up and go back and rub the vinyl back down onto the sign. Take a wallet-sized picture and add the clothespin on top of the photo. And then first you'll put it on your sign, just lay it on top to kind of get a feel of where you want it to be placed. You will then flip over the picture with the clothespin, and on the back of the clothespin you will add some glossy accents, and then you will put it back onto the sign and adhere it to the right of the vinyl. Next, we're going to glue on the wooden heart to the clothespin, so you will add some glossy accents to the top of the clothespin and then add the heart on top. Let it dry, and then your sign is ready to be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this sign at craftsdirect.com/projects.